Like, okay, why is my grow garden likes almost Jandel float so humble in the middle of also why is the sky oh they you jump scared me, bro. I was supposed to do my intro. Hey, but thank you. Why is the sky so realistic? Oh, now it's normal. Okay. Somebody tell me what the frick is going on. Sam, give me sugar apple, please. Date. Just taking seats for absolutely no reason. Why is my money faster? What were other old tacos? Tacos. Anything but do tacos. And what the hell is going on? Hey, what? Since when did our whole garden look like dinosaurs? We're teleporting back till the first year. Y'all, the break. It has been a long time, and I need to check my sunflower. Come on, check it. Yeah. Okay. 8 million. That's not good. I need 1 billion. So we will put more mutations. Yes. Slay. Okay. Actually, first question. Vote has started. Choose the. Wait. What? What? Excuse me? What? I will. Should we? Thunder and thunderstorm and laser. No, do laser. What do you call that? That laser thing. I want him to do every weather event, Jandel. Chicken rain. Well, will this help? Oh, damn! Oh, dang. Okay, my friends are joining. Hi! Hi! Well, okay. Okay, what the hell? Else, let's side. The hell? Okay. Oh, I don't want captures, bro. They are the most annoying things in the whole world. Okay. Come on. Make it. What was that one? Do disco. Taco dance. Please. Do disco. Taco dance, please. Please. Will he listen? Okay. You seriously? Okay. Do disco. Jandel, do disco. I bet you 50 billion or I don't know, whoever loved Grow Garden would have done this. And what the hell will I do now? Oh, I heard we could save slots. I will try. It cost another 25. Jandel, you're making me broke as hell. Also, what is Zen? I never got that. Third, we need shocked. So we. Okay, is that orangutan? Bro, this reminds me of Adopt Me. I have an orangutan, but I thought it was very ugly for some reason. Yes! 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 If you don't, my life is. Please. Please. Oh wow. Okay. What's the restock, bro? Please don't be. Okay. It's nothing.